it's Ira, founder of Project Help You Grow. Are you excited? I am excited. In just 24 hours from right now, I am going to be live in San Francisco, meeting and greeting and getting ready for the Grow and Excel event. What is it? Well, if you don't know by now, you're probably not interested, but it is a live networking event and a masterclass on LinkedIn. What is this all about? Well, it's simple. To do almost everything we want to do, we need to network, and we're trying to communicate a message. I'm going to help you build your network, in-person networking, and teach a class on LinkedIn. Not only how to grow your network, but how to set up your profile and all the different things that go with that. Plus, the different rules of engagement and, how to navigate LinkedIn so that when you post something, whether it be an article, a regular post, a video, a photo, whatever it is that you're trying to communicate, how you can basically get the best results possible. So if you're a job seeker, if you're an entrepreneur, or if you're a sales professional like myself, the class was designed specifically to help you accomplish those tasks. Best part, it's free. All you have to do is RSVP. So if you have not RSVP'd yet and you're in or around San Francisco, you can make it to a live event. Not a telecast, but actually be there in person. If you do that, comment down below and let me know, and I'll add you to the guest list. If you show up to the event, but you're not on the guest list, I have to turn you away. That's the agreement that I've made. That's the type of insurance I've bought and all these different rules that go with it. So do me a favor and RSVP if you'd like to come. I will see you tomorrow and help you grow and excel on LinkedIn and accomplish your goals. My name is Ira Bowman. Have a great day, everybody.